Hello my dear students, welcome back to EduHunt video lecture series. And now we are going to discuss about the pelvic girdle, which is a part of appendicular skeleton. We know what is an axial skeleton and what is an appendicular skeleton. Axial skeleton is made up of skull, vertebral column, and also the even the rib cage also present. We have discussed during the explanation of this axial skeleton. In the appendicular skeleton, we have discussed already about the forelimbs and the pectoral girdle. Now we are going to deal with this pelvic girdle and we'll go with some bits based on pectoral, pelvic girdles and also hind and forelimbs. As we have seen that the pectoral girdle is made up of two bones, clavicle and the scapula. Here the pelvic girdle, which is present at the hip region of the human being, the lower region of the human being, and this helps in articulation of the hind limbs. Pelvic girdle also consists of two halves and each half consists of two coxal bones. Two coxal bones, each is each coxal bone is formed of three separate bones which are fused together and forms the coxal bone. And the three bones are ilium, ischium and pubis. The three bones of the coxal bone are ilium, ischium and pubis. At the point of the fusion, there is a cavity known as the acetabulum. Idi acetabulum idi. Okay? Acetabulum, to which the third bone are thigh, that is the femur. Thigh bone articulates with the acetabulum and the two halves of the pelvic girdle meet ventrally. Ventral ante itu, mana front region, ventrally, to form the pubic system or pubic symphysis containing fibrous cartilage. Ikkada, ee part lo. This is the pelvic girdle. It has two halves. Idi oka half, idi oka half anukunte. Each half consists of a bone known as coxal bone. Coxal bone. And each coxal bone again made up of three bones which are fused together. That is ilium, ischium and pubis. These are the three bones fused together to form a single coxal bone on each side. Yeah, let us see the differences between male and female pelvis. Female pelvis lo general width ఎంత ఉంటుంది అంటే hips are wider, whereas in male individuals, hips are narrower than female individuals. Pubis, it is longer and more rectangular in females, whereas it is short and triangular in male. Pubis is one of the bones of the coxal bone of pelvis, pelvic girdle. Sacrum, shorter and wider, it is in female, and it is narrower and longer in case of male individuals. Let's see the next student illustration part. Os innominatum consists of pubis, ilium, ischium. Os innomination is nothing but coxal bone. It is nothing but coxal bone, which is again made up of three fused bones. Ilium, ischium, pubis. Total number of bones in appendicular skeleton of human ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి టోటల్గా 126. ఈ 126 ఎలా వచ్చాయి చూద్దామా లెక్క. ఒక 4 లింబ్, మనకి ఎన్ని 4 లింబ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఒక 4 లింబ్లో 30. సో ఒక 4 లింబ్లో 30 కాబట్టి ఇంటూ 2, రెండు 4 లింబ్స్, రెండు హ్యాండ్స్ 60. హైండ్ లింబ్ 30 into 2 60. 4 limb, hind limb. And then pectoral girdle, pelvic girdle. Pectoral girdle లో ఒక హాఫ్ లో 2 bones ఉంటాయి. సో 2 into 2, ఆ 2 bones ఏంటి, clavicle and scapula. So 2 2s are 4. పెల్విక్ గర్డల్ లో ఒకటే బోను, ఎందుకంటే అదంతా ఫ్యూజన్ కాబట్టి 2 అంటే 2 బోత్ హాఫ్స్ 2. 60 plus 60 120 plus 4 124 plus 2 126. వెళ్ళిపోతుంది ఏంటి. ఓకే, ఆల్ టుగెదర్ 126 వచ్చింది కదా ఆన్సర్. లాంగెస్ట్ బోన్ ఆఫ్ ద స్కెలిటన్, నో డౌట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫీమర్ థై బోన్. డిజిటల్ ఫార్ములా ఆఫ్ హ్యాండ్ ఆఫ్ హ్యూమన్ ఈజ్, హ్యూమన్ హ్యాండ్లో ఉండే డిజిట్స్ 2 plus 4 3s 14. Scapula is part of, scapula is part of, scapula ఎక్కడుంది, స్కల్లా, పెక్టోరల్ గర్డలా, పెల్విక్ గర్డలా, వర్టిబ్రల్ కాలమా. స్కల్, వర్టిబ్రల్ కాలము రెండు యాక్సియల్ స్కెలిటన్ తీసేస్తాం. పెల్విక్ గర్డలా, పెక్టోరల్ గర్డలా, క్లావికల్, స్కాప్యులా, పెక్టోరల్ గర్డల్లో ఉన్నాయి 4 limbs కి అటాచ్ అవ్వడానికి. Obturator foramen is present between, it is present between ilium, ischium and pubis. Yes, it is obturator foramen present between these two bones, ischium and pubis. Number of tarsal bones in human in each hind limb, ఒక్కొక్క hind limb లో tarsals 7 ఉంటాయి, metatarsals అయితే 5 ఉంటాయి. Which one is the bone of 4 limb? 4 limb bone humerus కాదు, టిబియా, సారీ 4 limb అన్నారు కదా. విచ్ వన్ ఈస్ ద 4? ఇది ఫీమర్, హైండ్ లింబ్ లో థై బోన్, ఫిబ్యులా, టిబియా, ఫిబ్యులా, ఫీమర్ ఇవన్నీ కూడా హైండ్ లింబ్. సో ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ హ్యూమరస్. హ్యూమరస్ అంటే ఈ ఫస్ట్ బోన్ ఆఫ్ 4 limb. A cup shaped cavity for articulation of femur head is, that is the acetabulum. Number of bones present in a 4 limb of human. Human 4 limb లో ఎన్ని bones ఉంటాయి? 30. So with this we have finished even the concept as well as the student illustration part of 4 limbs, hind limbs and even complete axial skeleton and also appendicular skeleton. In the next session we are going to discuss about the various joints and what are the uses of presence of different joints and where they occur, where they are present. Okay, until you learn well about the subject. And also remember, whenever I say that, remember this point, some numerical data is present. Axial skeleton or some other appendicular skeleton, parts of the skeleton, that is bones, number of bones in each half, whether they asked in pairs or in total number, we have to mention and we have to clearly remember how many pairs are there or how many bones are there. Like that you should remember. Like ribs, we have certain number of ribs and we have certain number of bones in skull and even in vertebral column, in hind limbs, forelimbs. All these organs, all these appendages have a specific number of bones. The number must be remembered and you should keep trying in reading, in understanding the concept and also remembering. Only tip is revision. Revision, that is practice. Practice makes man perfect. So it is totally clear that it always works good. All the best.